All right, so we find ourselves in Genesis 4:3. In the course of time, Cain brought some of the fruits of the soil as an offering to the Lord, and Abel also brought an offering, fat portions from some of the firstborn of his flock. The Lord looked with favor on Abel and his offering, but Cain and his offering he did not look with favor. So Cain was very angry, and his face was downcast. Well, as a kid, I always had questions about this because I knew that, what I had always been taught, that the Torah, the law, didn't exist till Moses. Well, that's not true, because first, they knew they were supposed to make a sacrifice. So they knew that was supposed to happen. And then they also clearly had some instructions of what was acceptable and pleasing, because one made an offering that was acceptable and pleasing, and one didn't. And so Cain was upset because he knew he didn't do this right and that God was angry at him. But really, Cain could only blame himself because he had to know, because Abel knew how to do it right. So that is an example of Torah, or the law, before the law. And really, all Torah and all the law, that word really means loving instructions from the Father.